And what is mean by average speed? The average speed of an object is obtained by dividing the total distance traveled by total time taken. In another way, they said that the average speed is a fundamental concept in physics, particularly in the study of a motion. It is defined as the total time, total distance covered by an object, dividing the total time to cover that distance. And average speed formula is total distance divided by total time. Total distance refers to the entire path length traveled by an object. Total time refers to in the duration for which the motion occurred. And average speed is a scalar quantity. It means it has only magnitude and no direction. Average speed is always positive. Both distance and time are always be positive value. The average speed will always be positive number. It cannot be zero or negative.
Magnitude cannot be zero.
Cannot be zero. And SI unit of average speed is meter per second. Other common unit include kilometer per hour. And I take one example. Consider an object that travels in a given in a created distance by in a given time. If a car travels 100 kilometers in 2 seconds, we find out with the help of a formula 100 kilometers divided by 2 hours. I use a formula. First I write the total distance divided by total time. I divided this 2 ones, 2 5s, 50. We get the 50. We get the answer 50 because of
Kilometer per hour.
And next, average velocity. We already know about the velocity, the rate of change of a displacement with the respective time and a frame of a reference is known as a velocity. And what is mean by average velocity? The average velocity is given by the arithmetic mean of initial position and final position in a given period of a time is known as the average velocity. In another way, say that the average velocity is a fundamental concept in physics that describe overall rate of change in an object position over time interval is known as the average velocity. Average velocity is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. Average velocity, it can be positive, negative or zero. Positive value typically indicates movement in the positive direction. Negative value indicates movement in the opposite direction. Zero indicates the object return to its starting point. Zero in a displacement is zero. And average velocity SI unit is meter per second. Other common unit include kilometer per hour. I take one example.
Yes, very good.
Consider an object that travels 8 meter from initial position to final position 6 kilometer in 3 seconds. We use of a formula average velocity. U minus v divided by t. I write the first initial position and
Zero is the starting point.
Final position and 3 seconds. First calculated by
V minus U divided by T. V minus U divided by T.
First calculated
Average velocity U plus V divided by 2.
First
Plus.
First, I calculated the displacement. The displacement is obtained by subtracting
Adding of the
initial position and final position. We get, if an object start moving from 0 meter to 8 meter, to add this both, we get
0 meter to 8
6
meter.
meters.
Initial position is the 6 meter. Yes, very good.
2 things.
You start begins from 2 meter.
2 meter. We add both of these, we get a 10 meter and calculated the average velocity. The average
10 divided by 2.
The average velocity is calculated by dividing the displacement by the time taken.
Yes.
We get a 5
Meter for
meter. This is the answer.
meter for second. 5 meter per second.
Thank you.
Yes, very good.